Hey, so it's about 7 o'clock in the morning. I shouldn't even be up right now. I went to bed super early though, so I guess it all works out. Yeah, it's our day off, so that's super nice. Basically, I just got woken up by a nice little thunderstorm. Oh, see? Lightning flash right there. So, yeah, so I got that on camera. Don't really think I got any lightning on camera, but I definitely got the flashes on camera. But yeah, it's like 80 degrees out here, so it's like really nice. But of course it's like pouring down rain. I don't know. It's overflowing right here, but you can't really see it. But yeah, so that's my morning. Today's Sunday. It's Easter Sunday. So it's kind of nice to have that day off. Yeah. Talk to you guys later. Hey, happy Easter. Well, Target's closed, so we're on to Walmart now. Just getting a few things. We're here for a week and a half still, so laundry detergent, snacks, energy drinks for me, walking in with a monster, you know. Yeah, so thunderstorm this morning. You guys already saw that. And yeah, can't go through the exit. There's a carts in our way.
Vlogging?
Yeah, vlogging.
Walmart.
Gotta get on camera. It's kind of annoying. That side's closed. Oh well. Just got done with Walmart, and thunder just shooks the whole building, so that's kind of exciting. Everyone was like, whoa! Yeah, that's mine. But yeah, it's just pouring right now. Another thunderstorm's hitting. And also this Walmart's flooded inside. We can't even use that other entrance. That's why we couldn't get in over there. There's just water on the ground. They're cleaning it up. It's flooded pretty badly. Just went on a little adventure, found the laundromat. It's about $1.25 to wash your clothes and then extra money to dry your clothes. But that's all in our budget, so we don't really have to worry about that. But yeah, we didn't know where it was, so we went walking and we found it. Yeah. Tonight we cooked nachos. But yeah, that's kind of how my day's been going. Hey, so we've been having like room issues, toilet overflowing. Had to clean that up earlier. But right now we're having to move rooms. So room is across the courtyard area, so that's what we got planned right now. Kind of sucks, but you do what you gotta do. We are fortunate enough that we can move rooms. Sometimes we might not even be able to move rooms, but I'll show you a little time lapse of that. Just got back moving 5 people from one room all the way to another room, which was across the courtyard. So
5 girls, 1 room.
5 girls, 1 room. We just had to move them all. Everyone's got a lot of stuff, so it really made it a lot easier when the whole team helped out. That's a good thing about teams, right? Okay, well,
Yeah, until one dude ducks out.
now that I'm done, I'm gonna say goodnight. See you guys in the morning.
Love you.